You know, James sells them for 1,500 a piece, and I've
Right,
seen him kill roosters that were decent roosters that he could have sold and
right.
got good money for. But they don't have a bad day on his place. They don't get that opportunity.
But all y'all guys out there watching, really pay attention to what Claude is saying. Again, agree or disagree, still pay attention, take in the information, because a lot of the techniques and tactics that he's talking about is something that the things that he was taught from the old timers. And guys, not only just the old timers, but they were successful, extremely successful, had very, very hard birds, birds that we will all be, it will be a pleasure to have those birds on our yard. But just listen to the tactics, man, that he was taught growing up and coming into this sport, man.